Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. What we happen to have here is a 440 Chrysler. We build them all, but we build them with a hydraulic roller camshaft. That is the way you will not wear out a flat tappet cam. Do not ever buy a flat tappet cam motor today. You have to be crazy. You're probably overpaying for it because these guys are trying to make $1 million. The shit I use in my motor is high quality. That means hydraulic lifters in this motor are $500-600. The camshaft is $500-600. The rocker shafts are about $6 or $7. Look at some other people's engines and you'll know from sure we're quality. Full forge rotating assembly to start with. This is fuel injected. We don't put wires on our 440 Chryslers because they got to be custom made to the manifolds on the engine. Other than that, it's hard to kill the power. Gentlemen only wanted about 400. You can't build 400 once you start putting good parts in the motor with a high. Again, compression's low. Small camshaft still makes 500 horsepower. That's a Chrysler. Chryslers are badass motors too. But again, if you're looking for anything, give us a call. We are one of the best out there. Have a happy new year. Peace.